Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your name. This gets you into Media and Purchases. Once there, tap View Account and then Purchase History to load recent buys. Make sure Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password is ready because you'll authenticate to see full details. You're looking for the specific item or subscription to cancel. Focus on date, price, and app name so you can act quickly once you find the charge. Once you locate the purchase, tap it to view details like date, price, and order ID. This helps when filing a dispute. Next, open a browser to report a problem. Apple.com or use the Report a Problem link in the receipt email. Sign in with the same Apple ID. Then select the purchase, choose the reason, and request a refund or cancel the subscription. Explain briefly why. Apple evaluates eligibility, so be precise. To finish, go to Settings Your Name Subscriptions and cancel any active subscription tied to the purchase. This stops future billing immediately. Once you submit a refund request, check your email for confirmation and keep the order ID handy. If Apple approves, refunds appear on your original payment method within a few days. If not, contact Apple support directly and provide the order ID and screenshots. If something goes wrong, escalate to chat or phone support and ask for a supervisor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.